As you can see, this time of day at least, it's faster on a bicycle than it is on a car. We're only going about 16 miles an hour and we're passing everyone. Passing Northrop Avenue, County Library on the right. It looks like it's closed. Must be doing some construction or something on it. We're approaching Watt Avenue. We're approaching Fair Oaks Boulevard, I should say. Passing Fair Oaks Boulevard. Now we're taking the off-ramp onto American River Drive. And we'll rejoin Watt Avenue right on the bridge. Okay, now we're on the Watt Avenue Bridge over the American River. Southbound. That's the access to the American River bike trail right there. A little observation area. recreational access. They have a beach down there on the American River. It's the Two Rivers Trail. And this is where it gets interesting. You're going to take this off-ramp onto Riviera Drive. Riviera Drive. We're going to go under Watt Avenue. Onto this trail is going to take us under and over the Highway 50 freeway and the ramps to the Highway 50 on and off ramps to the Highway 50 freeway. And this parallels the northbound lanes of Watt Avenue. And they created this system to make it safer for cyclists to go down Watt Avenue to Folsom Boulevard. Before, you would have to share not only the traffic lane, but have to negotiate all these on and off ramps to the Highway 50 freeway. So they made a series of tunnels and little overpasses here to help out with that. As you can see, straight ahead is one of the off ramps to the freeway, and we're going through this little tunnel. There is Highway 50. And we're going up this ramp over Highway 50. Highway 50 is just below us. Now we're going through another tunnel under the on-ramp. There's Highway 50 eastbound. Another tunnel. under the ramps. Now again, we're going southbound parallel to Watt Avenue.